Hi there, this is Raksha from Calilio. In this video, I'll walk you through how to install Calilio extension to make calls directly from your web browser. Start by opening your browser, going to this and typing out Web Store. Then go to the Chrome Web Store, type out Calilio Dialer, click on the option and then click on Add to Chrome. Once the downloading has finished, it will appear in the extension section over here. You can pin it by clicking on the extension button and then clicking on this pin button besides the Calilio dialer. That's it. Now upon clicking this icon, you will be able to make calls directly from the browser. And that's it. If you need any further help, please head on to the live support chat where our support team members are there to guide you 24/7. Thanks for watching.